Hey Danny, I made up a new template just that we can text clients kind of our obligation about the relationship with a realtor. And it just sort of dawned on me today that this is maybe not a bad way to go. Anyways, let me show you. So we'll use Mark here, who I'm meeting on Saturday. Had a bunch of conversations with him. I'm going to show him a place on Saturday. So just show you where to find it. It's called Dort Intro. It's really long, but you know, it is what it is. See if I can show it to you here. Well, as you can see, it just kind of goes on and on. So it should populate the lead's name. So you want to double check that, and whatever realtor sending it should populate their name. All right. Actually, probably better just once I send it here, probably be able to read it better. Anyways, there it is. Super long. So let's just see what sort of a reaction I get from it. I think it's a good idea, but if the client acts weird, then maybe we'll have to rethink it. But anyways, there you go.